Hello and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video with Twisted Beauty. And in today's video we are going to be opening this box of goodies here from Sephora. I picked up a few things from the VIB sale, and y'all, I am so excited to share this with you. But before we get into that, I just want to remind everybody that makeup is an art. Your face is the canvas, but we all color differently. Okay guys, so I've showed you the box fresh from my doorstep. I have my scissors in hand here because I am about to open this up with you guys. And to be honest with you, this is actually going to be part one because I did pick up a couple more things after I purchased this first order. And I guess the shipping wasn't too bad. It was, at first they had told me it was going to be a couple days, and then it's kind of been like, I think I actually placed this order on the first. Wow, yeah, I guess that's kind of about a week or a little over a week. So whatever. All that matters now is that it's here. So I got it. And I really can't remember everything that I purchased this time. Why am I having such a hard time getting this open? Okay, girl. Alright, so let me see throughout the paper. Everything is packaged pretty good. I'm happy about that. Oh, now I remember. So I did pick up, the very first thing that I see in this box is, oh, I didn't realize it was this big. But I have been searching and searching for this product right here, and it's something that I'm so happy that I have, and I'm so excited to try it. I did just do a fresh wash on my hair, and hence the reason why I got it in this little protective style right here. But I have been looking for the melanin hair care. This is the black soap. So I have been seeing some good things about this, and I really did want to try it. I do have the cream, I have the leave-in conditioner, the cream leave-in conditioner, and I also have it's the Twisted Elongating Cream. I have that. Both of those products are phenomenal. Also have the multi-purpose oil. All three of those are phenomenal. So I have never used this, but I got a feeling this is going to be just as good. And if you have used this product before, please do not hesitate to drop down in the comment section. Let me know if you love it, if you like it, or what you're thinking about it, okay? Moving on. The next thing that I did purchase from the VIB sale, oh, and I'm excited to get into this, is the Summer Fridays. This is the Mini Neutrals Lip Butter Balm Set. So this is the one that has the neutrals in it. I think, what do we have? Vanilla, iced coffee, brown sugar, and vanilla beige. So I am excited to get into this. I do own another Summer Fridays lip, and I can't think of the name of that one. It's kind of like the deeper chocolate one. I like it, but it is a little bit on the deeper side. So I wanted to try this one out right here. Look, if it's a lip balm, if it's a gloss and it's shiny and it make my lips go, I'm all about it. I need it in my life. Let me see. The next thing that I purchased here is from, oh, this is cute. It's in a little ornament. This is House Labs by Lady Gaga. This is the PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze Duo. Isn't this packaging just so cute? I'm going to take it all the way around so you guys can see it. It is adorable. So we have this little sticker, of course, that's on the outside. So I'm going to peel that up because I got to share this with y'all. I told y'all if it's a lipstick, well, not so much a lipstick, but if it's a lip gloss, honey, I need it. I want it. I like to keep my lips moisturized. And especially with this cooler weather coming, ladies, please keep your lips moisturized, because that's not a good look for a lady to have some chapped lips. This is what the inside is looking like. We don't want no chapped, crusty lips. It's wrapped in this tissue paper. Ooh, so we got this color here. This is the shade of that one. Hoping you guys can see that. And the name of this one is, this is Person. I'm gonna let y'all say it. Because baby, I cannot even, I don't even think it focused in for you. Yeah, that's what we got with that one. And then this is the other shade right here. Oh, this one looks interesting. I really cannot see the names on these. This is Honey. I want to say this says Honey Shimmer, and that's what that looks like. So I'm going to do some swatches of these real quick. This is like the deeper one. Okay, House Labs. I don't know. Y'all let me know if y'all used these before too, because I don't see this as being too exciting, but I don't know. They might feel really good on the lips. So those are the two shades of that. This is the deeper one over here, and then that's the more neutral one right there. So I probably ain't gonna put it on right now because I got a little situation on my lips already. But I will come back and, you know, let y'all see what I'm working with in another video. Okay? I will be using those, but I can't get that back in there like it was. But this little ornament thing is so cute if you were to get that for somebody. Because y'all, you still got time. Today's the 11th, and, well, yeah. I think the sale is only up to the 11th. So if you pick up something, you know, go and pick up some of these items here. The last thing that I have in this box right here is something that I have been wanting to try, and it is the Danessa Myrick's Groundwork. This is the Blooming Romance eyeshadow palette, and I am so happy to have this one. I do have the other one as well. That's the more neutral one, but oh my gosh, this packaging is bomb. Y'all, I was thinking about getting that Lightworks 5, but then I thought about it a little bit more, and I was like, this would be a perfect time to pick it up, by the way. But I just thought about it, and I was like, I cannot see myself using those colors like that. Like, it just wasn't going to get the usage that it needs to get for the price that it is. So I figured, baby, I'm going to leave that right where that is, and I'll let some people that is into those colors go ahead and love up on that. I'm just going to show you guys. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like cherries or something. Yeah, so I'm going to just show y'all what this palette is looking like. This is real cute. I can't wait to get into this one. It looks a lot different in person than it did online. And honestly, if I knew that this one actually had these deeper shades in there, these browns and things like that, I probably wouldn't have gotten the neutral one. That's what I'm going to call it. I don't know if that's the actual name, but I probably wouldn't have picked that one up because you got all the shades that you pretty much need right in here. Y'all, I can't get over how this smells like cherries. Now, Danessa, what's going on with this? Talk to me now. Y'all ain't tell me that it had a nice little smell. This is by no way anything like a brand new product, but it's new to me, baby. And I can't wait to get into it. So yes, my ladies, that is going to do it for my first part of my Sephora VIB haul. I just wanted to come and share with you guys a couple of the things that I picked up. Everything that I've hauled in this little video today, I will be showing you, probably with the exception of this, because y'all, I haven't figured out how I can do a hair washing type of video and, you know, bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna keep working on that because I have done just a few hair videos on my channel. I don't know if y'all liked them, you loved them, or you know how that was vibing, but if it is something that you do want to see at some point in time in the near future, then let me know down in the comment section. Y'all, I thank you for clicking on this video and staying here and watching it with me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until next time, be blessed. Let us come back and do it all over again. Bye, YouTube.